Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we finally got our SMCU Express albums in today. There was a big delay. I think the store I bought it from, I was waiting on this red velvet one for a while. So yeah, we have the Aespa and red velvet versions here. Not really much to see. They're basically just brown envelopes. So we'll start out with the red velvet one. I actually didn't watch any unboxings of this yet. I have a basic idea of what's in it. It's not much, but it should be pretty fun to open up and see who we get. So my biases for these two groups, red velvet is Wendy, and then Aespa is Karina. So that's who ideally we pull. Though I really like both of these groups, so I'm not going to be upset at anyone we pull. So we'll get right into it. So here's the red velvet. We'll peel this open. Let's see what we got. All right, so this is like the photo book and that sort of thing. Looks pretty cool. Here's, oh, we have a member poster, okay. We got Irene. Kind of put it horizontal so you guys can see it. That's nice. Alrighty, so we'll try to find our pulls, which it looks like we got right here. And let's see who we got. Oh, you get 2 photo cards in here? Okay, so we got Yuri's ID. Ooh, and we got Irene. She got a vertical one. That's pretty rare. That's cool. So now we're I guess our Irene luck is pretty good because we got it in our Queen unboxing as well. So that's pretty awesome. I like those pulls. And then this, okay, it's like I like that design, all member postcard type deal. And then just the usual bubble ad. So we went 2 for 3 on Irene. That's pretty crazy. So here we have the photo book. I don't think it's gonna be too big. It's kind of thin. This the concept they chose for their little train car thing is a little bit on the cuter side, so the red side of their concept. But they can pull off anything. Oh, I like that Solgi with the giant bear. Dreams Come True. I love that remake song. It's been on repeat since it came out. Pretty cool that they here's the disc. It kind of opens up too. Kind of interesting they didn't just put the disc like inside, but still cool. All right, so that was a good first album. Hopefully we have some good luck on our Aespa pulls too, so we'll get into that one next. Oh, this one was even easier. The sticker wasn't even on, apparently. Makes it easier on me. So same sort of deal. I guess we'll see who we got for our member poster here. Okay, we got Ning Ning. Pretty cool. We'll find our inclusions for this one. Oh, well, we saw one of the photo cards. We got Ning Ning's. I wonder if that's always the case. Do you always get the same poster as your selfie card? And ooh, we have Karina's ID. That's cool. Yeah, leave a comment if you guys know that, because if that was just like a coincidence here, or if that's usually always the case. So we'll look through their little photo book here. Oh, we forgot to look at the postcard here. There we go. Pretty cool outfits. Yeah, it's not the biggest photo books, but I mean, still kind of cool. I like Aespa's colors a lot, especially on the disc here. I think that looks super sick. Kind of reminds me of the Photoshop logo in like Adobe programs, like After Effects. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.